सभापती पद हे सगळ्यांक न्याय दिवपा खातीर आसता आनी तें तशेंच उरपाक जाय. कोणाक फुडले वेंचणुकेक निवृत्त जावपाची इच्छा आसा तांणी सभापती जावचो अशें मत सभापती मायकल लोबोन सांगलें. म्हाका सभापती पद नाका, म्हाका मुखेलमंत्री जावपाची इच्छा आसली, मात पक्षान आपणाक आजून दिलें ना. पळोवया मुखार दितात काय ना तें, अशें मायकल लोबोन सांगलें.
Speaker is a neutral position when you assume the office. You have to be neutral to everyone. So that position we cannot take it. Let the senior most member of the house have this position who is due for retirement for the next election. Let him be happy. He is retired as a speaker. Senior most person of a political party can take the position. This is my submission that a speaker position should be always held by a very senior most person who is due to retire for the next term.
तुमच्या मनान कोण असो आसा?
माझ्या मनान हा तशें जायना तें. माझ्या मनान आहले चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाक. अजूनही करूंक ना म्हाका पार्टी. हांव तरी रावला फुडें करतले म्हणून.